Ever accidentally deleted an important photo, video, or document from your device? That sudden sinking feeling when your precious memories or crucial work files seem to vanish permanently is terrible. It happens to everyone, and often you might think they are lost forever with no way back. But what if there was a simple, powerful way to effortlessly recover those seemingly lost files? Introducing File Recovery, the ultimate solution designed to bring your deleted digital assets back to life. This intelligent application acts as your personal digital rescuer, making data loss a worry of the past. File Recovery specializes in restoring a wide array of deleted content from your device. Whether it's cherished photos, memorable videos, important audio recordings, or critical documents, this app can help you find them. From your latest selfies to vital work spreadsheets, File Recovery aims to retrieve everything you thought was gone. One of its standout features is that no root access is required, making it universally accessible for all users. Its intuitive and user-friendly interface ensures a smooth recovery process, even for those unfamiliar with data restoration tools. Simply launch the app, choose your desired scan type, and let File Recovery perform the hard work for you. You can perform both quick scans and deep scans to maximize your chances of finding every recoverable item. Preview your files before restoring them, allowing you to confirm and select exactly what you need. Then, effortlessly restore your chosen files directly back to your device's storage with just a few taps. It supports an extensive list of file formats, including common types like JPG, PNG, MP4, MP3, PDF, DOC, XLS, and many more. Compatible across various Android versions, File Recovery offers a reliable solution for almost any Android user experiencing data loss. With its modern and clean design, navigating the app is a breeze, making your recovery experience entirely stress-free. Don't let accidental deletions cause panic or permanent loss anymore. Empower yourself with File Recovery and confidently reclaim your valuable digital assets today. Download File Recovery now from Google Play and experience unparalleled peace of mind. You can find the direct link to download this essential app in the description located below this video.